So we're still looking at the slide out, and this particular fender skirt's been cut, and as you can see, it hasn't really started cracking yet, but there's a couple screws here. There's nothing down here on the bottom to prevent that guy from shaking and causing vibration, right? So I would like to see the owner add a piece of aluminum bracket down here, tie it into the bottom, or add even some blocking. You could even glue it in place if you wanted, just something to beef it up, because eventually going down the freeway, this guy's going to break off and cause damage. You can see the back side where it gets screwed into the coach. So again, this is just the sheet metal. There's nothing here. That's, as you can see how thin that is. They just screw straight through and it's just holding there. Same thing with that bracket. So see how they've added a bracket, and again, there's only one screw holding that bracket, and they did put two up there, but that one bracket is holding this entire run of this slide out rim. And folks, that's a pretty good run. Look how long that room is. I mean, I don't know if that's 10 feet maybe, but watch when I go ahead and push on this. This whole entire wall of this lower sheeting shakes. So again, you see me walking. Look at that whole wall, and I'm just barely tapping on it. So if I'm just barely tapping on it and the whole thing is moving, imagine what it's doing going down the freeway, right? So I would tell the customer, hey, let's add you in some more brackets to beef this guy up, because that one bracket with that one screw at the bottom down there is keeping this bad boy from just ripping itself right off the coach. Again, I would add another, brace in here just to protect it. But that's just my OCD kicking in. So here we are on the back side of that too, and I haven't checked this yet. This one's not, well, this one is. Look how much that thing's moving. Look at that. Look at all that travel, right? Oh, hear that weird rubbing? Bet you the bracket's broken or come loose. Let's check her out. So here's our bracket right here with one screw in it. It's tapped in over there. There's no other brackets underneath here. So again, I would add another bracket to it. If that screw, which is already coming loose, you can see me pushing up on it and moving it, hear it popping through the metal. As soon as that waller's through that a little bit more, this whole piece is just going to let loose and fly off this coach, or at least bend. So
to see more of exterior evaluations on this unit, click right over here. And to hear more about one of our favorite products, click right over there. I've got tons of content just like this. I hope you subscribe to us and don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you so much.